Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate retirement savings with Wealthfront, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate your retirement savings with Wealthfront, start by visiting the Wealthfront website. Create an account if you don't have one. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Next, complete the questionnaire to determine your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once your account is set up, navigate to the retirement planning section. Select your target retirement age and estimate your desired lifestyle expenses. Wealthfront will suggest a savings plan based on your inputs. Review the suggested plan carefully. Decide how much you want to contribute on a recurring basis. Connect your bank account for easy transfers. Wealthfront offers various funding options, including one-time and recurring contributions. Set up automatic contributions based on your preference. You can choose to adjust or pause these contributions at any time. After finalizing your contribution settings, confirm your selections. Wealthfront will begin managing and investing your funds according to your retirement goals. Regularly monitor your account to track growth and adjust if necessary. You can also explore additional features like financial advice or investment options. Feel confident knowing your retirement savings are now automated with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.